Hi guys, this is Vikas and I'm at Peacock Park. It's in San Diego, California. It's a nice place and we can find different breeds of peacocks here. Uh, so let me just show you. Yeah, so some people are gathered here. I think they are doing some picnic. And let me find one peacock. So this is the guy. This is the beautiful guy. So basically America is one of the country which is uh, promoting to preserve the nature, and they have made such beautiful parks for these type of animals. So here we can see that this is a I think we must have seen this peacock in India also. Same color, and same breed, but there are different other breeds also, like the white color peacock, and I also saw a blue one. So let's take a closer look. Hi, hi baby, how are you? So this is the basically entry gate from where we enter to this park. So there are different, I mean, this is the parking, and this vehicle is basically if you want to pay and travel across the park. Yeah, so I'm not sure how much they charge, but it should be maybe $20 or $30, which is 3,000, around 3,000 in India. So hi guys, this is Peacock Park. These are guidelines. Due to COVID restrictions, do not touch amigo. Let's see. There is a peacock. Choo choo. Choo 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 choo. There's a peacock. सानवी सो गया वो? Yeah. सानवी, you want to say hi? Go, say hi. मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, आजा. Maybe he's scared of me. He's scared of me, maybe. Yeah. No, we are not touching you.
Want us to leave him?
Hey, hi. सानवी, say hi. Go, आगे जाओ. जाओ पुत्र, नहीं डरेगी. आ जाओ, मम्मा के साथ जाओ. Go with मम्मा.
Yeah.
नहीं डरेगी. जाओ. Go. Oh, there is one more. ये कोई मैडम है जो यहाँ पे रहती थी. सी, इन 1940. हाँ, ये उसका हाउस था. Something. Can we see something from here? No. विंडो. भाई 1940 में उनके ऐसे घर थे. No way. Nice house. Oh. Okay. Where are you? Come here. Come, come. Come. Hey, peacock. Come here. Oh, small gate. Beautiful. Swimming pool. पता नहीं. Sanvi, where are you going? Where are you going, baby? Come this side. This side. Come this side. Come here. Come here. Come, come, come. Come here. आगे चलो, आगे सीधे. इधर 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 चलो बेबी. हाँ बेबी, उधर चलो अंकल की तरफ. चलो. Okay, hold my hand. Hold my hand, baby. Sanvi. Hello. Hi guys. So one thing at the entry we find here is this. I think this was a horse rider, and other details about this park. And when we just enter, then we will find this also. It talks about different breeds of the peacock. Oh, that boy is crying. Hey buddy, what happened? Now cry. Hey, hey, remember me? I'm your friend. Yeah. Oh, he's eating. Boom. One more. Can be. Oh. No. That's it. नहीं नहीं एप्पल नहीं पता नहीं सानवी
कोई नहीं बनी
हाँ
और नहीं कितनी